In this video, you'll learn how to send Ethereum from your Binance account to your MetaMask wallet. By the end of this guide, you will have successfully transferred your Ethereum, allowing you to access MetaMask. Start by opening your MetaMask wallet. Ensure that you are on the Ethereum mainnet. Once you have the wallet open, locate your Ethereum account at the top of the interface. You will see your wallet address displayed prominently. Click on the address to copy it to your clipboard. It is essential to have this address ready for the transfer, so do not close your wallet just yet. Next, navigate to the Binance website and log into your account. Once logged in, look for the wallet option in the top menu and click on it. From the wallet overview, select the withdraw option. In the withdrawal interface, you will need to choose Ethereum, which is abbreviated as ETH, from the list of available assets. After selecting ETH, you will see a field labeled recipient address. Here, paste the MetaMask address you copied earlier. After pasting the address, it is crucial to select the Ethereum network for the transfer. This selection is vital to ensure that your funds are sent correctly and securely. Following that, enter the amount of Ethereum you wish to transfer. Before proceeding, double check the amount to ensure it aligns with your intentions. Once you have confirmed the recipient address and the transfer amount, take a moment to review the details carefully. It is important to verify that both the address and the selected network are correct to avoid any potential loss of funds. After confirming everything, click on the confirm button to initiate the withdrawal. You may be prompted to complete a verification process, such as entering a code sent to your email or phone. Complete this verification as instructed. After you've confirmed the withdrawal, you will need to wait for the blockchain to process the transaction. This may take a few minutes depending on network congestion. Once the transaction is processed, check your MetaMask wallet to see if the balance reflects the transferred amount. If the balance shows the new amount, the transfer is complete and you have successfully sent Ethereum from Binance to your MetaMask wallet. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.